And now it's time for the Sea Lion Splash. This is Sea Lion leader Katie Pollock with this week's announcement. Welcome back, 5th graders. We're excited to have you back from Outdoor Science School. It's Teacher Appreciation Week. Let's celebrate all the great things our teachers do to make McGaw a world-class school. Thank you, teachers. Surf's up, scores up. The state testing begins on Monday. Let's make sure to get a good night's rest, eat breakfast, and have a growth mindset while taking the test. You got this. 4th grade McGaw Strings Rehearsal is on Monday at 2:30 p.m. Math Lab is on Tuesday after school for 1st and 2nd grade. Go to room 30 and your teachers will take you to your classroom. 5th grade McGaw Strings Rehearsal is on Tuesday at 2:30 p.m. College Day is on Wednesday. Math Lab is on Thursday after school for 1st and 2nd grade. Go to room 30 and your teachers will take you to your classroom. 5th grade will begin visiting the high school chemistry labs on Friday. Enjoy your visit. Thanks so much, Sea Lions. Have a great week.
Attention McGaw families, Staff Appreciation Week is taking off and we need you on board for this out-of-this-world celebration from May 5th to May 9th. Here's how you can help make this week stellar. On Monday, we dream upon a star. Roll out of bed and wear your favorite PJs. Don't forget to bring your teacher's favorite midnight snacks to fuel them through the stars. On Tuesday, you're as unique as an alien. Wear green and bring a special note to tell your teacher why they are simply out of this world. On Wednesday, bloom and zoom. Saddle up in your best space rodeo gear and bring a flower to brighten up your teacher's appreciation bouquet. Next, it's Black Hole Thursday. Go all black today. Wear black and help restock your teacher's vanished supplies with a school supply donation. On Friday, it's Cosmic Colors. End the week with a blast of color. Wear your teacher's favorite color and join your room parents in presenting your class gift to make this week truly shine. McGaw, let's show our teachers and staff that they are truly out of this world. Thanks for helping make Staff Appreciation Week unforgettable.
I got a lava. Universal Transitional Kindergarten.
Let's start it off by celebrating UTK student from Mrs. Barr's class. Congratulations to Alex Hamilton. Alex saw that another student had a lot of cleanup to do, so he just started helping him without being asked. Thanks so much for having that raw spirit.
Kindergarten.
Miss Fox wants to celebrate kindergarten student Heidi Olvera. She said that Heidi's eyes and ears were on Miss Martin the entire time, and that's exactly how a learner turns into a scholar when they're in kindergarten. Way to go.
1st grade.
Miss Cohen wants to celebrate 1st grader Eleonora Corona. She said that, Eleonora, I'm grateful to have you in my group. You are helpful, responsible, and kind to everyone around you. Thanks for being such an awesome student.
2nd grade.
Miss Melissa wants to celebrate 2nd grader Summer Strang. She said that Summer approached a friend who had nobody to play with and tried to include her in play. Thanks so much for doing the best thing and being so aware.
3rd grade.
Mr. Larson wants to celebrate 3rd grader Chris Rabat. He said that Chris dropped some food and picked it up without being asked to do so. That's exactly what a responsible and caring student does at the McGaw campus. We appreciate you.
4th grade.
Mrs. Reedlove wants to shout out 4th grader Jet Lewis. She said that Jet engaged in a math discussion that let her discover the process for finding equivalent fractions using division all on her own. We're all so moved by her mathematical thinking. Thanks so much for thinking outside the box and taking that risk to try something new. Way to go, Jet!
That's a wrap. Have a great week.
And there you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye!